Here I've got POCO M3, and let me show you how to change PIN to your SIM card on the following device. So first of all, just open the settings, then in the search area you can enter PIN and SIM. Actually, it has been displayed already. So simply click on change SIM PIN. Obviously you can go there also via passwords and security, but this is the quickest way, and tap on change SIM PIN. So at first you need to enter the current one, tap on OK then, and now enter the one that you would like to use now. Then re-enter this new PIN, tap on OK. And that's it. As you can see, SIM PIN has been changed. That would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.